Is this cinematic? Oh, cinematic and something cinematic. I don't know how to play with this. Cinematic. Okay. And wee! Hello! Sus, kagwapa. Kagwapa na lang good. Look at that! So beautiful! Gwapa ka siya. Guys, gwapa ka siya, guys. So, there's nothing fabulous to my one when it comes to decorations, yeah. But what I'm so proud of myself is the plants. Sila akong gipastar. Gusto na ko sila ang matigbabaw, dili ang mga mahalong mga gamit kawa mong kuana. And besides, it's not my kuan sa garden. When it comes to garden, dili kay ko fanatic o kana bitong how to say this, grand designs. I'd rather make it more natural. So in my own little way, these are scrap and we just paint it before because it reconciles to this color. And anyway, matabunan naman siya tanan siguro sa clematis. And this clematis is group 2. Okay, these are group 2. And look at that. Nang luod ni siya last year. She did not bloom, give me flowers. I put her in the corner, but she was not happy because the root cannot the root cannot produce or cannot hit by the sun, and this needs sun. Kinahanglan ni siya na ay adlaw. Then natabunan man siya, so napasagdan lang sa anak ko. May lang wala mamatay, but wa gid siya even the leaves ra siya, din siya mo saka from last year. But this time nangita kong space niya. So as aspirant gardener, as a gardener in my own little world, I learned a lot of lessons in my garden. And it's not, how to say this, guys, it's not magic. Manindot kadayo. It took me a while, and it took me lots of patience and understanding in Sagidan garden. And it took me lots of understanding some mga plants, especially dying plants. And most of the plants I have here are nearly to die plants. Kanang sale na gid ba nga, barato na gid kayo siya that I need to buy. And yes, fulfilling kayo siya, guys, in my eyes. Like a few people will say this to me: you always say beautiful, even though bisag dili na siya nindot. What's like kita sa kanindot pa. But I have an eye. I have an eye to see the beauty of living creatures. Nakita na ako ang kanindot. So this is for this side, but okay, to make a picture. Hello, this is my cucumber here, and this is my courgettes. And they said kung ma-flower na daw ang courgettes, kinahanglan putlon siya para sa madaghan ang iyang flowers. So let's see. But yeah, amazing. Oh, fulfilling kayo. Yes. Mga gamay na akong mga kalipay. Yeah. So let's hear. Okay. This, I can't wait. Tabon na niya siya. Tabunan na niya siya po. So these are my akong mga gipangwadwad ng mga trabaho sa akong garden. And yeah, it paid off. Pero wala pa gyapon mahuman. Nangita pa kong loto na mapalitan ako. And yeah, this is chatterbox Mumsy in my